Hi, Somo.
Hi.
Yeah, let's do today vector geometry from your 5th edition, exercise 10. Question number 4. So, here are your questions. Fourth question. In the diagram, vector OA and OB vector M is the midpoint. So, this is the midpoint of OA and P lies on AB. So such that AP is equal to 2/3 of AB. So we can take this as I will pick another color. So if AP is equal to 2/3 of AB means total AP is a 3 parts. This is a 2 parts, right? AP is a 2 parts and this is a 1 part. It means so AP is equal to 2/3 of AB. Okay. Express AP vector in terms of A and B. First we'll do that. First, AB, vector AB. A to the B. So we don't know what are these things. Let's go from this way. So we can write this as a AB is equal to AO, A to B. So AO plus OB. AO vector plus OB vector. So AO is here. They have a given OA is A. So AO is negative A plus OB is B. That's it. Next, AP. Vector AP. A to the P we want. So AP they have a given as a 2/3 of AB. Let's use this. Given. 2/3 of AB is nothing but AB we already found that B minus A. So that is equal to 2/3B minus 2/3A is the answer. Next, B. Express MA and MP in terms of A and B. First MA. MA. Already we know MA is A, right? No, sorry. OA is A. Then what? And M is the midpoint here. OA is A, M is the midpoint. So what MA will become? It's a half of A. MA is half of A. Means half of OA, which is nothing but half A. Next. In this, they asked MP. M to the P. M to the P can be written as MA plus AP. MA plus AP. We already found MA half of A and we already know AP. Let's substitute 2/3 of B minus 2/3 of A. If you take out A as a common here and here, A as a common, here you will get 1/2 and here you will get negative 2/3 plus 2/2 over 3B as it is. So if you take LCM is 6 and this 2 goes in the 6 3 times. So 3 times multiplied with the numerator 3 ones are 3 minus here 3 goes 2 times in the LCM. So multiplied with the numerator 2 2s are 4 plus 2/3 B. That is nothing but 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So negative 1A is nothing but negative A over 6 plus 2/3 B. Okay?
Yeah.
Next, question C. If X lies on OB, produced such that OB is equal to BX. This X is lying on OB. Okay, OB. Such that OB is equal to BX. They said these both are same. OB is equal to B means they said this BX also same. So we can take this also B only now. Next. Express MX in terms of AB. So express this MX in terms of AB. We need to find out MX. How can we find this MX? MX, M to the X, MO, OB and BX. So MX is equal to MO plus OB plus BX. Writing the same. It's a C bit, right? So C bit, given that OB is equal to BX, which is equal to vector B, and MX is equal to MO plus OB plus BX. Now, MO is what? MO is, excuse me, OM. Okay, actually OA is A. So MO is half of A, but it's a reverse direction. OA is A. This total is A. This is A. So M is a midpoint. So this is half of A. Half of A. This is half of A and this is half of A. So now we want MO. MO means negative direction, negative vector it is. So negative half A. Negative half A plus OB is equal to B. And also BX is also B. So negative 1 over 2A plus 2B. Okay, done. Next, D. Show that MPX is a straight line. So you need to find out the relation for the MP and PX. Sorry, MP and PX such that they all are in the straight line. Let's compare the two vectors here, MP and MX. Then we can find out the relation. MP is negative A over 6 plus 2 over 3B. What about this MX? Okay, D bit, I am writing both the equation, MP and MX relations. Let's compare both of them. MP is negative A by 6 plus 2 over 3B and MX is negative 1 over 2A plus 2B. Negative A, 2B, 2B. So here, instead of 2 here, 3 is there. So let's take out 1 by 3 common here. So what do we get here? Negative A over 2 plus 2B. 1 over 3 came out. And here, negative 1 by 2A plus 2B. So they both are same. So MX is equal to 1/3 of the MP. So then what you can write? MP is equal to 3 times of MX. Can we conclude like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope you understand. We'll move to the next question. Yes. Next question. Fifth question. OP is equal to A. Given. OA is equal to 3A. OA is equal to 3A means this P to A is a 2A. If this is A, then P to A is what? 2A. So we will take this. Total is a 3A. So only this part P2A is 2A. Next, OB is equal to B. OB is equal to B given. M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Express BP and AB in terms of A and B. Let's find out for BP. Vector BP. B to the P. B to the P is here. So we can write BO plus OP. What is BO? It's a negative B. And OP, same direction A. That's it. Next, in this only we have one more question. AB vector. AB. Okay. Yeah, Somo. How can we write this AB?
So AO is minus 3A.
Yeah, we can
And
write AO plus.
OB.
Okay.
AO is minus 3A and OB is B. So the answer is B minus 3A.
Yes. B minus 3A. Okay. Next one. Express MB in terms of A and B. MB. M to the B here. This can be written as, MB can be written as MB is half of AB, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
M is the midpoint. So MB is half of AB and we know AB is what?
Why you can just write 1 by 2 in brackets B minus 3A. Or just do 1 by 2B minus 1 by 3 by 2A.
Yeah, half of B minus 3A. So yeah, B over 2 minus 3 over 2A. Correct. Next. If X lies on BP, if X lies on BP, B to the P, X also there, such that BP produced so that Bx is equal to KBP. KBP means some K is some constant here, some times of BP. Okay, express Mx in terms of A, B and K. So listen carefully, this how we can write with this constant. Given that Bx is equal to KBP, see bit, given Bx is equal to KBP. So we need to, we know the BP, what is BP here? Yeah, this is negative B plus A minus B, which is nothing but Ka minus Kb. Okay, so what they asked, find Mx in terms of AB. Mx. How can we do this Mx? Mx means this one. So Mx is nothing but MB plus Bx, right? MB plus Bx. We know MB and we know Bx. We know Bx just now we found. So we can write Mx is equal to MB vector plus Bx vector. So that is nothing but MB is negative 3 over 2A. 1 second, MB. Yeah, negative 3 over 2A plus B by 2 plus B by 2. And Bx is here plus Ka minus Kb. So we do something here. Here these are the like terms. So let's take a as a common. It will be negative 3 by 2 plus k, and these are the like terms. B as a common, 1 by 2 minus k. Following?
Yes.
Okay, let's keep like this. Later we will look into this. Now question D. In terms of k only they asked us, so we can leave our answer in terms of k, no problem. Next, D. Find the value of k if mx is parallel to BO. Mx is parallel to BO. Find the value of k. Okay. So mx is parallel to BO means um, so both are having some constant, means mx is not exactly equal to the BO. It is maybe more than or half of or one third or less than. So we don't know how many times it is equal, but they're parallel, but they're not equal. They didn't mention that they are equal. So let's write mx is parallel to BO. If we remove the parallel symbol, we will get a constant, one more constant. So this is a d bit. Given mx is parallel symbol, this is parallel symbol BO. If you remove the parallel, you can put equal to symbol and you can take one constant. I will take here t as a constant. Already k is used in the previous one, so I am taking here t as a constant. So some t times of this, t may be a half or one third or a double, anything. We need to find out what it is. Okay, maybe one also, both are equal also, we don't know. Okay, so now mx, already we found mx here. Let's write the same thing as it is. Mx is negative, sorry, a times of negative 3 by 2 plus k plus b times of 1 over 2 minus k is equal to t. What is a BO? BO is what? B to the O is negative b. Yeah. So mx I have written answer, t and BO is negative b. Okay. So a times of negative 3 by 2 plus k plus b times of 1 by 2 minus k is equal to minus tb. Comparing both sides, comparing both sides, this b is equal to b. What? 1 by 2 minus k. Okay. So here we have a both b we have here. This is a b term which is a having this constant, and here it is a b term which is a having negative t as a constant. But we don't have a term to compare here. Here a term is this and here 0a. Nothing is there means 0a. You can imagine, for comparison you can imagine. So here 1 by 2 minus k is equal to negative t if you are comparing the both the b's. Now if you are comparing both a's, negative 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0 because here no a term here. So from this you can find out k is equal to negative 3 over 2. If you transpose this side, 0 plus 3 over 2. So which is nothing but k is equal to 3 by 2. So they asked us to find out simply find the value of k if mx is parallel to BO. So this is what they asked. Just let's go to the next question. Enough, I think. This is sixth question. AC is parallel to OB. This AC is parallel to OB. Okay. AX is equal to 1/4 of AB. AX is 1/4 of AB, means this is Total 4 parts. AB is a total 4 parts. In this, this is one part. Pick this color. This is one part and this is 3 parts. This is what they mean. OA is equal to A. Yeah, they mentioned. OB is equal to B. They mentioned. And AC is equal to MB. Yes, written. Express AB in terms of A and B. We need to write AB here. A bit. AB in terms of AB in terms of A and B. Okay. First, AB vector is equal to, how can we write A to the B? A to the B can be written as A to O plus O to B. A to O plus O to B. A to O is negative A. O to the B is a positive B. Right. So this is B minus A. Next, B bit. Express AX vector in terms of A and B. Let's see AX. AX means this. This AX is 1/3 of, sorry, 1/4 of AB. So we will use the same thing. 1/4 of AB. Given. This is given in the question. So 1/4 of B minus A. So B by 4 minus A by 4. Next, C bit, BC, B to the C. B to the C, how can we write it, Somu? B to the C? BC?
A minus B, so BA plus
BA?
AC.
Yes, we can write BA plus AC. I'll write here
But
itself.
what is AC? It says MB, but what is the M?
We will write in terms of M only. They said express, you can express in terms of A, B and M. So
Oh.
BC is equal to BA vector plus AC. So BA is what? We found BA? No. Here. Okay. AB we know. So we will reverse this BA. Right. AB we know B minus A. So BA means A minus B. A will become a positive and B will become a negative. AC. AC is just MB. We will take as it is MB. Okay. A minus B plus MB. If you have taken, you can simply leave, not a problem. Okay, next D. Given that OX is parallel to BC, where is that OX? This OX is parallel to BC. Okay. It is just parallel, not equal. We need to find out what is the relation between OX and BC. Maybe it's a doubled or half or 1/3. What it is, we need to find out. Given OX is parallel to BC. So if you remove the parallel symbol, you can put a constant. Already M is used, we will take K as a constant. OX is equal to K times of BC. Let's take a K as a constant, that many times. Now, yes, yeah, OX we need to find out and BC also we need to find out and substitute in this. Let's take this as equation 1. Find out OX. What is OX? Go to the picture. OX is this. How can we write this OX? Could we write OX as OA plus AX? Yes. OA vector plus AX. Already we know OA. OA is A. and ax is, we found b over 4 minus a over 4. If you take a as a common in these two, you will get 1 minus 1 by 4 plus b by 4. So 4 is a LCM, and this is 4 times. 4 ones are 4 minus 1 plus b over 4. And this a 4 minus 3 is 3 over 4 plus b over 4. We can leave our answer in this way. What is this? This is OX. I'll find here AX. Sorry, not AX. In our equation, we want a BC. BC we didn't find. Oh, we got already. No need of finding. So now we can just substitute OX and BC values in this equation 1. I'll write here. Equation 1 I'm going to substitute. OX value is 3a over 4 plus b over 4. Okay. That is equal to k times of BC. BC vector is a minus b, here also a minus b plus mb. A minus b plus mb. 3a over 4 plus b over 4, that is equal to ka minus kb plus kmb. Here we'll take b as a common. So ka, if you take b as a common, what do you get? Here b common, km minus k. Right. So comparing LHS and RHS. Compare LHS and RHS. So we want to find out K value. See, if we compare B values on both sides, we will get B also M also constant, K also constant, which is very difficult to find out the K value. But if you compare the A values on both sides, so A coefficients on both sides, A coefficient is K here and A coefficient is 3 over 4 here. So it's better to compare the coefficients of A on both sides. If you compare the B coefficients, you will get M also, K also. So two variables, two constants, it is difficult to find out. So let's compare the A's. Compare LHS and RHS of A. Left hand side and right hand side. So you get 3A over 4 is equal to KA, where AA get cancelled. So K is equal to 3 over 4. This is what they asked to find out the value of K in the question. If you have seen, give OX is parallel to BC, find the value of M. Oh, sorry, we need to find out M value then. So now we got K value, let's find out M value also. How can we can compare these two now, both B's. So B by 4 is equal to B times of Km minus K, right? So BB get cancelled. So 1 by 4 is equal to K value. You can substitute here 3 by 4 M minus K. Now, so 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 M. Here also you can put K value 3 by 4. Right. 1 by 4 is equal to, if you put 3 by 4 outside, so you will get M minus nothing is left here, 1. 3 by 4 came out. 4 get cancelled. So M minus 1. So this is into 3. So if you bring this side, it is M minus 1. Here it is negative 1. If you bring this side, it will become a positive 1, which is M. So LCM is 3, 1 here, 3 times 3 plus 1 is equal to M. So M is 3 plus 1 is 4. Oh, yeah, such a big question. Hope you understood. Yes?
Yeah.